Hi friends, I am Rohan, one of your mentors at GATEFLIX. Well, in this session, I am going to talk about a lot of queries which you might have related to our crash course. So, GATEFLIX has launched its crash course for 2021. This crash course is for whom? There are many questions which comes to students' mind. Let me clarify all your doubts. Number one, is this crash course for final year students or third year students or pass out students? So my answer to this is typically designed for all of you. All of you, I mean, if you are a third year student, because IIT Bombay has announced that third year students can also take up GATE exam in their third year. That means a student in the third year of engineering currently is also eligible to take the exam in February 2022 or rather 2021 also. So if he wants to take the GATE exam in 2021, he can fill the form. The best part of this is, if you take up this exam right now, you have one more chance to take up the exam in GATE 22. Sir, I am in the final year, I have not prepared anything. Is this program for me? Yes. If you have not prepared anything, you have around 170 to 180 days left out before you take up your exam. So this course is definitely for you. In this small time, you will be able to clear all your concepts, the fundamentals, the fundas and the past year GATE questions.